How to turn on or off explicit music on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Screen Time. Within the Screen Time menu, locate and tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. On this page, make sure the main toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on to enable the feature. Next, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games to manage your content settings. Proceed by tapping on Music, Podcasts, News, Fitness at the top of the list. Here, simply change the setting from Clean to Explicit to allow all content. To disable it, select the Clean option again. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off explicit music on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.